which cannot be touched with the feeling of our infirmities, but was in all points tempted like as we are, yet without sin. In verse 16, let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in times of need. Kung saan maabay na to? Natay high priest dito. Ang ganang high priest, masinabtanon kayo na, kinakabalo na kung sa kapakit green. Wala pa akong example sa taga-laboratory. Uy, naay, taga-admin eh, taga-laboratory, kasabot na kung sa kapakit green kay taga-laboratory ko na nagnahan isa. Nursing service. Kabalo na sa kay taga-nursing service, pait ito bawang green. Kabalo ko sa trabaho sa mga working student, kay working student ko sa una. Jesus Christ was tempted as we are. Ang kabalo na siya kung sa kapakit at kinabuhi sa kalibutan. So, kung sa may mangko na to, it is the mercy and grace in times of need na siya. That's what He's doing sa golden altar, doing that incense, and that is a symbol that Jesus Christ